Welcome back to day 2, guys. Today we are going to learn the essentials of data entry and formatting. Let's get started. Step is entering the data. So select any of the cell and just start writing something. Hello Excel champs. And if you want to go to the next row, you press enter, or if you want to go to the next column, press tab. Easy. So you can use the arrows up and down, but this is also another way. Pressing enter will move you to the next row, and pressing tab will take you to the next column. Here's another trick. If you want to enter a sequence of let's take numbers or dates, what you do is you press some of the numbers and then just fill this series. It will be filled. Sometimes it's automatic and sometimes it's just going to take the first series, but here you need to click and select fill series. Easy. Now let's try it with dates also, as we have already tried with numbers. 5 2025, then 01, no 02, 01, 2025 again. Let's try it now. Let's see if it automatically fills the series or we have to. Okay, we can see it's getting filled automatically. That's how you can create a sequence of either numbers or dates just by dragging it. Sometimes we also see that the text is too long for the cell. So what we do is we select the text and simply just click on wrap text. It's going to wrap the text in a way that whole of the text comes in that particular cell. Easy. Now that we have some text here, let's try to make it look good. So under the home tab, you will see there are so many options to play around with the text to beautify your text. Let's just select the text, and then we can see here you can change the font size. Okay, it's selected, and then change the font size, make it smaller, bigger, and this is fine, 12. Yeah, and then you can change the color of the font over here. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, underline, you name it, and it's all over here. Everything is here. If you want to add borders to your text, you can also do that. I want to make these numbers stand there at the corner, and let's just try making some borders on these two. So select borders here, bottom border, top border, no border, or all borders. So that's how you can add the borders. Okay, next step is a number formatting. If you want to show prices or salaries as currencies, what you do is you select the column and then press Ctrl Shift and the $sign, and automatically you will see the currency coming up here. Again, if you want to display the percentage, you do the same, Ctrl Shift and select percentage. Now if you want to have a look at more controls, you select right click and then select format cells. You can see here number of controls categories present. For example, currency, you can change the currency. Okay, and then the date, format, time format, percentage, how many decimal places you want, like that, for fraction, and things like that. Click OK. Now here's a pro level trick or shortcut that you're going to love. So if you have something written here, okay, and you want the same text to be copied on the cell below, so what you do is simply press Ctrl plus D. That's it. No cut, copy, paste, nothing like that. Just go to the cell below this one and press Ctrl plus D. Go below, Ctrl plus D. Press enter, Ctrl plus D. See? Easy. It's a really good shortcut. Here's another shortcut that lets you select the whole row or the whole column. This one's very easy. If you want to select the whole column, what you do is you select Control and press space. And if you want to go for the whole row, for complete row, you go for Shift plus space. Okay, it's sorry, Shift plus space. Yeah, if both are selected, then it's going to select the whole worksheet. For example, I've already selected Shift plus space. So now if I click on Control plus space, it's going to select the whole file. So now Shift plus space, it's the whole row, and if I go with Control plus space, it's the whole column. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.